The memory seat system enables you to store positions for the driver's seat, steering column, and outside mirrors using these controls on the driver's side door. To store a set of positions, first, ensure that the shift position is in park with the ignition switch in the on position. Adjust the driver's seat, steering column, and outside mirrors to the desired positions by manually operating each adjusting switch. Push the set switch and within 5 seconds, push memory switch 1 or 2. The indicator light for the pushed memory switch will illuminate and remain on for approximately 5 seconds. If the memory has been stored, a chime will sound. If a new set of positions is stored in the same memory switch, the previous memory positions will be overwritten. The positions stored using the driver door switches cannot be linked to the intelligent keys. Your vehicle is also equipped with the entry-exit function. This feature automatically moves the driver's seat back and the steering column up, if so equipped, when the driver's door is opened with the ignition switch off or the ignition switch is turned from on to off with the driver's door open. The driver's seat and steering column will return to their previous positions when the ignition switch is placed in the on position. To enable or disable the entry-exit function, use the Settings menu on the instrument cluster screen. Use these controls to select Settings, Vehicle Settings, Driving Position, then Exit Seat Slide or Exit Steering to toggle these functions on or off. A user profile must be created in the center display, and one of the intelligent keys must be linked to this user profile for the memory positions to be remembered and linked to the intelligent key. While carrying an intelligent key that is registered to a user profile, place the driver's seat, steering column, and outside mirrors to the desired positions, then turn the ignition off. The next time you enter the vehicle and turn the ignition on, the system will automatically adjust to your last position. When the ignition is on and any positions are manually adjusted, the new position will be saved to the user profile already linked to that intelligent key when the ignition is turned off. If 2 intelligent keys are in the vehicle at the same time and the engine is started, the system will recall the profile of the last key used. If there is a desire to change to another user profile, touch Settings, Users, Switch User, then select the user you want. The guest profile does not save positions. When exiting the vehicle while using the guest profile, the seat, steering column, and outside mirrors will move to the last used user profile. Positions stored using the memory switches on the driver door are not linked to the user profile memory. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.